Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Razer DeathAdder V3 Pro to the Razer Hyper-Polling wireless dongle. So this can be purchased in bundle or separately. So basically on how to pair it, all you have to do is to connect this Hyper-Polling wireless dongle to your PC using a USB-C port here. So it can be a USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to USB-A. After that, the dongle is now active looking for mouse to pair. And then in your V3 Pro, turn it on by holding the power button. And then once the LED is blinking, just go to the Razer Synapse application and it will automatically show your mouse, which is the DeathAdder V3 Pro. So basically that's it. That is just very simple.